Let's design something soft and romantic for spring, starting with a pre-made wedding design and adding our own personal touch. All right, let's start by choosing a wedding template. I'm going to slightly modify the heading first and then move all the text around, aligning everything to the center to keep it clean and balanced. I'll also change the text to uppercase. It's a small tweak, but it instantly gives the whole layout a fresh look. Now, going back to the heading, I want to add a little something extra. Honestly, I think this little heart detail is such a cute touch. Okay, let's find a nice illustration. Since we're in spring, I'm going for soft floral vibes again. As I place it, I'm making sure all the spacing feels right and everything looks well balanced. I'm also going to change the font for this text to create a nicer contrast and overall harmony in the design. And finally, I'll update the heading color so it matches the illustration we just added. It really helps tie everything together. Before we wrap up, don't forget to give everything a final look to make sure everything is perfectly aligned and in place. And that's it for today. I hope this gave you some ideas on how to create your own wedding designs without starting from scratch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.